Hello, I'm back with an amazing album. Ozzy Osborne left Black Sabbath, right? Everybody says, oh dear, what's Ozzy going to do? Is it going to be any good? And he comes out with an album that's an absolute classic, absolutely brilliant. Ozzy Osborne, Blizzard of Oz. What a line. He got an amazing lead guitarist. I was so fortunate to see him live at the King's Hall in Stoke-on-Trent. Randy Rhoads. What a brilliant guitarist. Sadly, passed away too soon. But his music's brilliant. His guitar work's brilliant on this album. And on the other, I think Diary of a Madman as well. And I'm not sure. Anyway, Ozzy Osbourne, obviously. Randy Rhoads, Bob Daisley, brilliant bass player. Lee Kersley on drums. Absolute. What an album. What an album. Ozzy Osbourne, Blizzard of Oz. Absolutely cracking. Absolutely amazing album. 1980 was out. Brought out 1980. And everybody at that time, my age, absolutely love this album. Let me tell you what's on it. I don't really need to tell you, do you? I Don't Know, track number 1 on side 1. All aboard! Ha ha! Sorry, Crazy Train. Goodbye to Romance. Slow. Took me a while to get to like that song, but I do. D, brilliant dear. Suicide Solution. Cracking. Side 2. Mr. Crowley, won't you ride my wife? Sorry. Number 2, No Bone Movies. Revelation, Mother Earth. Good song, cracking. And Steal Away the Night. Absolute brilliant rock classic album. Ozzy Osbourne, definitely at his best. I still think it's the best album he's ever done. Love it. That's controversial, I know, but that's how I feel. And it's my review. So there you go. Blizzard of Oz, Ozzy Osbourne. Rest in peace, Randy Rhoads.